It's here, the Ekos upgrade. The time has come to enhance your production processes within the Ekos platform. We know it's been longer than originally planned, but we promise it was worth the wait. By stripping down the production workflow to the very base level, we've been able to rebuild the process with more flexibility and added tools only available on your upgraded ecosystem.
There are 4 new production features we know you'll be excited about. First, scheduling and managing production tasks. These tasks can be assigned to team members, helping keep not only your production on track, but also reminding your team of their responsibilities. Second, dry hopping and ingredient additions. Yes, believe it, Ekos can now plan for your dry hopping needs, along with other on-the-go ingredient additions. This flexibility is something we knew teams were looking for, and we're excited to provide it on this upgraded platform. Third, updated batch calendars. These batch-specific calendars provide easy access points into related tasks and visually display batch timelines and progress. Fourth, new batch dashboards. The upgrade is bringing more insight into your batches, and what better way to easily view this info than on your dashboard?
These insights will specifically focus on your batch costs and fermentation information. On top of these 4 new production features, the upgrade also brings new tools for your team, including lot tracking and drilling down into your TTB reports.
We know this sounds overwhelming, but don't fret. We have multiple resources, including our knowledge base, ready to help your team learn the new features.
Ready to start the process? Great! We have a few pre-upgrade steps for your team to knock out. Email our support team at help@goekos.com to learn more.